here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make money using the new app called Shop. Yes, let's get on it. Let's get started. As well as can say, yeah, let's get started. Let's go to the app. Let's go to the app. I'll show you how to make money using Shop in Zambia. Yes, and for those who have not yet subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you might get my new updates, which I'll be posting about this same app, teaching you how to withdraw and other things. So today I'm going to show you how to do the tasks only, and I'm going to leave a link below for subscribing if you have not, or joining, or should I say joining the Shop. You can start with 100 kwacha, and you'll be making a 5% of it. That 5 kwacha, oh, that 100 kwacha per day. So yeah, let's get it. So the next thing you have to do is get in it. After getting into the app, you get to do some matches. Per day you have to do 20 orders. So you start matching, and you click match, and you place there. You start okay, please sign the task day. Okay, we didn't sign the task day. Go back there, go there. Yeah, so you pay. When you pay, it goes like that. It shows here you've done one task and you've earned 0.90755, and you continue doing the same. Let me just show you. So I complete, continue doing the same thing. You're seeing the money is rising as I continue doing tasks. So you continue doing tasks, making money while less doing nothing. So let's continue doing the same thing. So those of you who are interested, who do not have fear of making money online, this is your only chance to make real money online. You get the percentage. You get the 5%. If you're in level 1, you get the 5% of what is on your account. So that's how you make money using Shop. It's very easy, straightforward. Even for those who haven't gone to school, they are able to do such tasks. It's very simple, unless otherwise you're not normal. But just try this out. This app is legit, and we've been withdrawing thousands, which I'll show you in my other video which I'll make, and I'll show you how to deposit also. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out. So just chill out. You see how I'll make this so I've already made 10 kwacha there a day. Others are making 1,000. It's up to what's like on your account. It's what you get to make. So I withdrew some money, so that's why I'm earning low. Yeah, so let's get there. Yeah, let's wait for it. Yeah. So today I've completed my tasks and I made 18 kwacha. Let me just show you how much I made. Yeah, I've made 18.857. Yes, that's my total earning of today. And then I also, if you invite someone, you get a 20 kwacha bonus, and the person you invite also gets a 20 kwacha commission. That's how it moves, that's how it goes. So all those who are interested in starting making money or starting becoming rich using StarShop, they'll find my link in the description, where they will click there and then sign up, deposit 100 kwacha, and then you get to start doing the tasks. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you now know how to make money using